Inline method refactoring is a technique where we replace a method call with the actual code of that method. It means taking the method's code and putting it directly where the method is called. This technique is handy when a method is only used once or when it's very simple and doesn't need to be used in other places. Hello everyone, welcome again. Imagine you're working on a complex project and you find a method call that seems simple and doesn't add much value or abstraction to the code. In these situations, you can use the inline method refactoring technique to improve the code. This technique is categorized under code inlining in our refactoring techniques diagram. It lets us get rid of unnecessary steps caused by method calls and instead put the actual code directly where it's needed. This not only reduces clutter, but also makes the code flow clear and more understandable. Think of it as removing a layer of complexity and putting the important part of the code directly in our code. Okay, let's see an example. Imagine we have a class called MathUtils that has different operations. Inside this class, there is a method called isEven, which checks if a number is even. There is also another method called processNumber, which processes a number and prints whether it's even or odd. Now, let's simplify our code using the inline method technique. By removing this even method and putting its logic directly into the processNumber method, we don't need an extra method call anymore. This makes the code simpler, easier to read, and removes unnecessary steps. Okay, inline method refactoring works best for simple methods that involves basic calculations or checks. In our example, the logic to determine if a number is even or odd is simple and can be easily understood inside the processNumber method. By using inline method refactoring, we eliminate the need for a separate method, making our code more concise and focused. However, it's important to consider the context and usage of the method before applying inline method refactoring. If the method is used in multiple places or might require changes in the future, it's better to keep it as a separate method. This ensures consistency in the code and makes it easier to maintain. Okay, done. See you soon.